Hi, I am Mr. Maintenance at Davis Lift Truck Service. I am going to introduce you to some of the services we offer. Managing your forklift needs, even if it's only one lift, or a fleet of lifts, can be a huge headache. At Davis Lift Truck Service, service is in our name. So we know, good service is good business. If you are keeping up with PM's information, like dates, hours, and next due dates, that can be a huge task. And what if your lift has to go to the shop for a repair? Do you have to rent one while yours is being fixed? Well, that sure cuts into the budget and profit margin. Fortunately, there is a better way. Using Davis Lift Truck Service for your material handling needs, you get on-site repairs. Using Davis Lift Truck Service for your material handling needs, you get our fast and free loaner lift program. Using Davis Lift Truck Service for your material handling needs, you get it all. We are a tail lift dealer for new lifts. We also have used lifts for your needs. To learn more, give us a call at 800-359-8044 or 910-424-0958. Visit our website, www.dltsinc.com.